everyone, it's Danielle Platt, your travel specialist from Riverside Tours and Travel. And I have a special announcement for everybody today. If you're one of our Facebook fans, you may already know, but I was able to secure group space on the brand new, won't even set sail until March of 2012, Disney Fantasy. That's right, Disney. We have group space on the Disney Fantasy. Our sailing will be July the 7th, 2012. It'll be a 7-day voyage to Costa Maya, Cozumel, both in Mexico, Grand Cayman in the Cayman Islands, and a day at Castaway Cay, their private island right in the Bahamas. It'll be a day full of fun in the sun and an all-included barbecue lunch and activities. So, the great thing about doing Disney, doing a group space or doing a group on Disney is that you have much reduced rates for your deposits. You'll have longer times to pay it off, and you'll have a $50 onboard credit. So your initial deposit will only be $25 per person. That's it, $25. You'll have from 30 days today, May the 15th, to pay that off. Then you'll have until August the 14th to pay off your full deposit, which will be $250 per person that's over the age of 3. So you'll have until August. That's 90 days just to pay off your deposit. Then your final payment will not be due until April the 23rd of 2012. So you'll have almost a year to pay off your cruise. You can do it in installments if you like. You can make monthly, weekly payments of $50, $100, whatever your choice is, so you're not stuck with a huge balance at the end. Once we get your initial deposit in, you can just send a quick email and say, hey, I want to add another payment of X amount. And that's easy. It'll be just as easy as that, and we'll always keep up to date with your balance so you'll know what's due. Now, because this is a brand new ship, because it's Disney, they have very limited availability. And actually, the Disney Fantasy was the only ship left with group space in the month of June, July, or August of next year. The limited availability is as follows. There are no, and I say no, 0 Ocean View rooms left on this ship on that sailing because I snagged the very last one for our group. One Ocean View room, deluxe Ocean View room, we have it. That's the very last one. There's none. If you go on the website, there's none. A couple may come back and here, there, everywhere, but the price is going to be through the roof. So here's the breakdowns of the rooms that we do have available. In addition to the one Ocean View room, we also have 5 deluxe family Ocean View rooms with a veranda, which means it's a balcony. We have 5 of those. The veranda rooms will receive a special gift from Riverside Tours and Travel for booking the veranda room with us, and you'll get the Jack and Jill bath in the deluxe family room, which means it's like almost like having 2 bathrooms in the stateroom with you, which is nice when you have a family, because Disney has designed these ships just for families because they know and they understand what it's like to be on vacation with little kids and lots of kids, and you know how that goes. So it's just an added bonus. They also have, or we also have 2 of the standard veranda rooms. So it would be a standard room with just the 1 bathroom. So we have 2 of those. We have the 1 Ocean View stateroom, and then we have 2 interior staterooms. 1 is standard, 1 is deluxe. And the great thing about the new ship on the Disney Fantasy is they have virtual portholes on the interior rooms. So what that basically is they have cameras set up on the exterior of the ship that will actually be taking video for the LCD screens for the porthole. So you'll feel like you're outside. You'll feel like you have a window, even though you won't. And you have the option of turning it on and off. So definitely, if you're interested in these rooms, you need to get on them. Starting tomorrow, we're going to send out emails to all of our clients. I personally have a client base in prospects of over 500. So if you're really interested, because I know I've gotten a lot of interest on Facebook, a lot of interest on the website about doing a Disney cruise, this is their opportunity to do so. If you have questions, please email me. My email address is rttdeals@gmail.com, or give me a phone call. My number is area code 904-728-9001. And like I said, tomorrow we're opening it up to all of our clients. It's going to go out to all the other agents. It's going to go up to all of my clients and their clients as well. So if you are one of those people who's inquired about doing a Disney cruise, jump on this now because space is limited. So just in case I don't see you guys until the cruise, happy sailing. Bye-bye.